Howdy ho, bitches! Welcome to another fantastic, super exciting episode of GB's Unboxing Adventures. And what do we do here? We take things out of boxes so mindless idiots can watch the video and see what's in the box. So many people are into these unboxing videos. I can't fathom it, but I'm gonna have some fun with it. Today, we have a blue and yellow box. It's about, 5 inches by 2 inches by 1.5 inches. It shakes. It rattles. Doesn't roll because it's a box shape. Rectangular. Are you excited? You want to see? Alright. There you go, bitches. It's a leaf for arthritic pains. 200 caplets. But you never know, it could be something different. We gotta open up the box to actually see what's in it. Because maybe it's Smarties. Or, I don't know, birdseed. Let's open it up and take a look. Open, says me. It's got a bottle in it. And paper. Paper! See? It's got paper in it. But the writing's so small, I can't even read it with glasses, so I just burn that. And the box is empty. We'll burn that too. And the bottle. What's in the bottle? Oh, it's sealed. So it must be pills. Caplets, sorry. There you go, bitches. How's that for another super exciting adventure with GB and unboxing? Until next time, drink up, buttercup. Woo! Cheers, big ears. RTFO.